How to log out of Facebook on all devices. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the first step is really important. What you want to do is after you open up your Facebook app right here, click on the menu icon at the bottom right and scroll down a little bit on this page and click on settings and privacy and click on settings again. Now you should be able to see the account center option at the top of this page. So just tap on that. And from here, click on password and security. Okay, so this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. From here, what we're going to click is this one right here where you're logged in. So tap on that, and these are the accounts that you have linked to your Facebook account. So just tap on your Facebook account and you will be able to see the logins on other devices. So there will be a list right here. You can scroll down at the very bottom if there's a long list and click on select devices to log out. Once you're here, you can select the specific devices that you want to log out from, or you can also just click on select all if you really want to log out on all devices. Once you're done with selecting everything, just click on log out at the bottom middle, and you can just click on log out again, and that will log you out on all devices except the one that you are currently using. And that is how you can basically log out of Facebook on all devices.